So this link, see how nice and loose it is? This is how loose this has to be. This can't be tight where you gotta really press on it to twist it like this. Once it's loose, then you tighten these nuts in place, but it has to be loose like this. If you have to really put pressure to turn it, then that's not the way it's supposed to be, because this side is connected to the plate, this side is connected to the top, and then on the other side here, okay, this plate, this was tight all the way up to here, tight, and it's not supposed to be that tight. It's supposed to have a little bit of play in between this plate and this bolt.